Hi guys, I just bought a DJI RS3 Mini 2 weeks after it was launched in January. Very popular and hard to get in Sydney. This one was the last one in DJI store around Sydney. And today I will unbox it with you guys. DJI RS3 Mini is a professional single-hand 3-axle gimbal designed for mirrorless cameras. DJI claims its payload of up to 2 kg. It uses the third generation RS stabilization algorithm. Let's look inside this box. Start guide. We have a gimbal body with a built-in battery. This is a battery. Stuff here. A mini extended skip or RS Mini tripod. Mini quick release plate. Two screw. USB-C charging cable. And an L-shaped multi-camera control cable. first time you are watching my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, click the ring bell, and please check out the link of my other channel in the comment below. Thank you. Let's put them together. Just screw the tripod to the gimbal grip or the built-in battery. Tighten and unfold the tripod. Unlock the roll arm using the roll rock. Rotate the roll arm 90 degrees and lock it. Unlock the tail arm using the tail lock. Let the tail arm hang down and lock it. Slide the upper quick release page on top of the lower quick release page. Lock it. RS Mini weighs only 850 grams in horizontal shooting like this. It's super light compared to my 1.7 kilogram HS2 Pro. For vertical shooting, move the upper quick release page. Loosen the red lever here on the lower quick release page and then move the lower quick release page while pressing the safety lock beside the lever. Move the horizontal arm out by loosening this lever. Slide the horizontal arm down and unlock the safety lock here. Then mount the lower quick release page to the vertical arm. Make sure both red arrow, one here and another one, are the same direction. And lock it. In this portrait mode, the gimbal weighs only 795 grams. It is compact and lightweight that's suitable to carry on the go. With a 1.4-inch full-color touchscreen, you can calibrate the gimbal and set parameters. You can control the gimbal movement, recording camera shutter, and camera focus using the onboard button. This RS3 Mini can be paired with mirrorless cameras via Bluetooth for wireless camera control. Also the built-in battery with a capacity of 2450 mAh and provides a maximum runtime of up to 10 hours. After connecting to the Ronin application, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoy the video, give me a like and make sure you subscribe to the HS2IVO Media channel and hit the bell button so you can get notified in any of the video. And if you have any question, please leave a comment in the section below and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.